Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing no makeup and I still have morning voice because it's morning and I'm going to get ready with you guys and I'm going to try something new. So I've been uploading every Tuesday now, as you guys probably know. If you don't know, hi there, you're probably new here, don't forget to subscribe. Since I'm uploading every Tuesday, the next Tuesday is going to be the last day of 2019 and I'm going to upload this video that you guys are watching now. So there's a lot of probability that you guys are going to watch this on the last day of 2019 or in 2020. Hi people from the future, it's a new year, it's a year to try new things. It's such a remarkable date like 2020, so you guys have the chance to change who you want to be and try new things, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try one of the biggest trends of 2019 and hopefully become one e-girl for a day. So what's an e-girl? I have no idea. I have a visual in mind of what I think is an e-girl, and I have an idea that it came from TikTok, but I'm not sure, so please don't quote me on this. So an e-girl is a species of emo. What? I had no idea. Like, I was a emo back in the day, so this is like close to home for me. It's a species of emo usually found on TikTok. I knew it. So I don't have a TikTok, by the way. I don't know, I don't think it's for me, but you never know, never say never. So they are usually found on TikTok, but commonly spends time on Tumblr. For real? So people still use Tumblr? I used Tumblr so much back then. I loved my Tumblr. I loved customizing like the whole appearance of the Tumblr, like themes and everything. But now I don't use it anymore. I thought it was dead, actually. I thought no one used it. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow. So that's the makeup look we are going to. Pink eyeshadow with a large ring. Cool. That's something I would wear every day. Little hearts under the eyes. That's cute. Never tried that, but I tried the little dots, so I think I can work with that too. And a blush nose. The whole idea that I had of e-girls were like the huge amount of blush, normally wearing some type of shirt from Urban Outfitters. Love Urban Outfitters, so okay, over a long sleeve striped shirt. Cool, I'm going to wear that for sure. These girls are usually teenagers. Can't relate. Sometimes their outfits don't match, but hey, if it goes with the e-girl aesthetic, then so without further ado, let's turn into one. First, the clothes. I'm going to switch back to the striped long sleeve and like a band oversized t-shirt over, so just wait a second. Okay, so here we are. I changed to a striped shirt, long sleeve with a band t-shirt. This is from Trippy Red. Also, I added some chains, like chunky chains and silver jewelry, just because I think it's more the aesthetic. But I'm going to show you the full outfit at the end. Now, before we jump into the makeup, I wanted to do something to my hair. I saw some images for reference, and I'm going to do something like space buns or like little buns here, so I can get more of the aesthetic. We have one. Let's do the other. I always feel like my left side is so much easier to do than my right side. I don't know why. Okay, so I have the buns now, not the most impressive ones, but I'm going to jump into the makeup, which is the most exciting part of this video. I'm going to start with the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer from Fenty Beauty. It just smells so good. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm going to use also my favorite from Giorgio Armani, and this is the Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 6. This foundation also smells very good. Smells like perfume or something. This was the perfect match for my skin color, and now that it's winter, I'm seeing that it's a little bit dark on me, and that makes me feel sad and wish for summer. Okay, the foundation is done. Now let's do the concealer. I'm going to mix the Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty again in the color 190 and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color C4. Oh no! And I add a little bit of the lighter shade here before I blend it out. And now let's beauty blend this all together. Okay, next we are going to set all of these with the Essence All About Max Fixing Compact Powder. I always start by setting the under eye and then the lid, and then with a bigger brush I just go all over the face. Okay, now with the Morphe palette, I'm going to do a little bit of contour using this shade. Using this shade. I don't know if e-girls contour their faces, but I'm just doing what I'm used to. With a smaller brush, I'm going to contour here the mouth and a little bit under the nose and a little bit on the sides of the nose. Now let's do one of the most interesting parts of the girl makeup, which is the blush. And since the blush is so extreme, I'm not going to go with powder. I'm going to use a lipstick for it. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's the Karina lipstick. So basically what I do is I put it here in my hand and then I tap it with a finger and I start applying it to the face. And here I can go extreme, so I'm not going to save myself from the blush. Oh no, my bad. I just want to really put the color in and then I can use the powder to blend it. I have this blush palette here, which is Stilazzi Barbados, and I'm going to use this powdery to help sort this out. I'm using this color here, which has a little bit of glow. Is this enough blush for an e-girl? Probably yes. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, and this is the duo Lighting Dust and Fire Crystal. Okay, we have a beautiful sparkly nose. I feel they also use a lot of highlighter, but maybe I'm wrong. And I'm going to use it on my lip and on my chin. I look crazy. So I got this palette from Colourpop that is very cute. It has like butterflies on it. Let's dive into this one first. I'm just going to apply it all over the lid. And I feel this isn't like pink enough, so I'm going to add this super vibrant pink here. And I'm going to apply it also under the eye. Okay, the eyeshadow is done. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to use the Worth the Hype NYX mascara in brownish black. It's very fast. Basically just brush them. You'll get a much more like full effect. You can see the difference between them. This one looks much better, so I'm going to do the same with the other one. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to the inner corners. And for that, of course, I'm going to use my favorite, which is the Musa glitter. So I'm going to use this one. I think it's going to be good with the makeup. Can you see? It looks very cute. Now, one of the most important parts of the e-girl makeup is the eyeliners. So let's jump into that. A big and thick wing, like this. Doing the heart, little heart, is so tough. I done it! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one off camera, it's too much pressure. So I managed to do the two little hearts. I hope they look good. They are not like the perfect match, but it was the best I could do. And I went and applied some mascara and fake lashes. Now I see they wear a lot of pink lipstick, just like the entire look, so I'm going to use this one from Essence. It's called the Velvet Matte No. 7. Let's see if it's pink enough. I think it became too shiny and too light. So with the Anastasia lip palette, I'm going to try to darken it out a little bit. Yes, I think I prefer this color much more. So we are done, guys. I'm going to show you the complete look now. So now I'm going to show you the finished look. I have the striped shirt with a trippy red t-shirt. So I decided to mix two patterns that sometimes don't match, which is check and stripes, but actually I think they really work on this outfit. I paired this with my buffalo shoes. I think they work great here. And overall I think it's a very like emo e-girl look. And I think it's very cute. I could wear this outfit on the street actually. It's not like it's my typical style, but I will definitely wear this on the street and feel good about myself. Yay! I'm an e-girl for 2020. Be the best version of you that you can be in 2020 and go for your goals, go for your dreams. I hope you get everything you wish for. Thank you a lot for everyone that supported me during 2019 and that was here watching my videos. Bye guys, love you all, hope you liked this video. From your favorite e-girl, bye bye!